If you're new to NetSuite, it's a good idea to get to know what the different types of partners are so you can know who can service you best. It's also good just to get to know the terminology that NetSuite may start using so you can know who is all out there to provide you with services. We're on the NetSuite partner page, and I'm going to show you really the three primary ones, and that's solution providers, alliance partners, and the commerce agency program. Solution providers are going to be selling you NetSuite, and they get some type of commission as well after selling you it, and that's really their primary job. Solution providers will often be an alliance partner too, and that's because alliance partners will be implementing your NetSuite systems, so it makes sense for them to pair together. There are also higher fees to become a NetSuite partner to be a solution provider and an alliance partner. Now, we are part of the Commerce Agency program, and that's because we already know NetSuite and how to implement it, and it makes sense for us to at least be listed there, and that's why a lot of people find us from there too. The Commerce Agency program is specific to the NetSuite SuiteCommerce platform, and that's their own e-commerce platform that is already pre-integrated into NetSuite, and why a lot of people are going for it too is because they don't have to pay for integration and subscription fees on top of their e-commerce platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Learn More in the Commerce Agency program, and you can see we're listed right there. There are quite a few solution providers here. These solution providers aren't really listed here, but you can at least get some more information about who they are. Whenever you try and purchase NetSuite, they'll put you in touch with one of the solution providers in your area. There are some very large players, and that is like Deloitte Digital, RSM. Those are going to be the people that are going to have higher rates, anywhere from $200 to $350 an hour. And so if you can handle those rates and they don't scare you at all, and you're okay with paying those rates, then go ahead and go with them for large implementations, because they're going to have a lot of resources. But if those rates are pretty scary, and for most people getting NetSuite, they're going to be a smaller company that are just trying to find a software that they can grow into, those rates are going to be a little bit out of reach, especially for ongoing support. And that's why there's people like us in the Commerce Agency program that also have resources for NetSuite implementations and ongoing support, and really some great resources for NetSuite architect work. And that's what you're going to be needing when you're trying to cater NetSuite to your business model. If a solution partner is not an alliance partner, then alliance partners will be paired up with a solution provider. So you will get an interaction between the two of those right out of the gate. When you're looking for different types of resources, especially smaller partners like us, it's good to see what types of certifications they have. If you're trying to get with someone with a smaller rate than one of the big firms, you at least want to see what types of certifications they have to do it. And for us, we pretty much have every single one of these. Actually, I'm going through. Yep, we have every single one of these certifications. So rest assured you're in good hands when you're working with us. But if you are looking at other partners too, make sure they've at least got all these certifications if you're going to be doing an implementation. The SuiteFoundations certification is needed prior to any of these three certifications, so you're not officially certified as an ERP consultant until you have SuiteFoundations prior to it. These are challenging exams, so if you're hiring someone permanently that has some of these certifications, even the SuiteFoundations, you're probably in good hands that they know enough to be dangerous. If you're looking to hire someone permanently, there are a few certifications that I would look out for, and that's the Suite Foundation, the Administrator, Suite Analytics User, or Financial User. And if you were hiring a NetSuite admin, I would at least suggest they have the Suite Foundation certification. And really, they're probably going to be pretty good even with just that. There are plenty of people that just haven't taken these certification exams because they cost money to take, and you don't have to be too worried about that as long as you vet them enough when you're trying to hire them. Hopefully these tips help you find the right partner to implement NetSuite and give you a little bit of knowledge about what to expect when you're trying to purchase NetSuite too.